round off 0.08562 to 1 SF. Now, we can see that from here, this number is a number that is less than 1. So, since this number is less than 1, for you to approximate this number to 1 SF, you are going to start from the first non-zero digit from the left. You can see this is zeros. We have zeros here. This is zeros. This is 0. So we start from the first non-zero digit from the left. That is the number that is not a 0 from the left. That's what we are going to start with. And what is the first number that is not 0? That is what? 8. So it means we are not considering this. We are considering 8. So at the back of 8, what do we have? We have 5. So we take one from this 5 and add it to what? To 8. Then we have 9. The answer is now 0.09. Now for the second problem, don't forget this number is also less than 1. Then we start from the first non-zero digit from the left. The first non-zero digit from the left is 9. So in this case, and at the back of 9, we are having 5. Oh, the question is 2SF. Now, we are going to count two numbers from the left. The first non-zero digit from the left. So we have 1, 2. So we have 2 here. Since we are dealing with 2SF, and we now have 5. So in this case, at the back of 5, we have what? 4. So 5 will remain the same. So the answer is now 0.95. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.